Okay, I won't add that clip if it is not like that as I want. Okay, I won't add. I won't add, and this is what I'm saying to myself for the for agreeing myself for satisfaction of myself. This is what I told to myself, not you guys. Okay, I'm sorry. You guys are most important thing for me because you guys when watch it, I will earn more money. It depends on you. I'm sorry. I'm not saying that you guys must watch it. I mean, if you are comfortable being here with me, then you can. Otherwise, you can explore the feature of not interested or block or etc. You can do it, and that's your right. I don't have any concern or I don't have any objection about it. My objection is not matters. My thinking not matters. You guys matter. You guys are the best. Thank you very much. But I added this. No, no, I will add. I'm going to add this clip. I am going to add that clip that I was talking about. There is a smoke. There is a smoke. This is me, and I added that clip. I noticed a creature that was too small. That was there, and that is hidden from my eyes. Now I will look that what is here. This is something. This is something like dry. This is something like green. This is something like dry. This is something like wet. No, it's not wet. This is like wet, but this is like dry. My statement was incorrect, guys. My statement was incorrect. This is like something like this is bag of plastic. Do my statement about it is correct? I'm smiling. I'm smiling. Sometimes I think I shouldn't talk about to the crow though. But when I look around me, I looked at the sun, and the second thing what I look are the crows, and they are around me. If I mean, I mean, I'm looking at the crows and I just need to be. I just need to show that energy that I talked about that energy and I never show it. Or sometime maybe once I showed it. But if it is possible for me to show it every day, then how it would be okay. I know my English is like that, but things that matter for me is try it, and I am trying it with all my heart. I don't know whether this claim of mine is correct or not, but I am trying it, and I noticed something that I I adore, like I I'm sorry I'm not able to let you know what I'm thinking about. Words are not helping me to make to make you guys clear about it what I'm thinking. My assignment for tomorrow is to wake up early in the morning, and this is the only thing that will help me to do what I wanted to do in a day. So I should listen to myself. I listen to people. I, I, I mean, can you please give me some time to look around me and figure out what is around me and how can I talk about it? This is life and it's going, and I don't need to worry. I don't need to be like that as I am thinking inside. I don't need to tell you about it either. Like that is like my. I'm sorry. I will tell you if something is here that I want to tell you. You guys are like good for me. Thank you.